Hella UK is the assembly facility for the Hella Group, who's producing here their machining centers HF series, so the 5-axis horizontal machining centers, plus the H medium 4-axis machining centers from the size 2000 to 6000. The customer experience here in the UK, I think, is quite unique for the UK customer, as we can offer the full service, which starts with that we can do the design for applications. We produce the machines here, we can run off the machines here, we have got the full service support once the machines are installed in the field. So I would say for every UK customer, it's a really one-stop shop. The most impressive part for customers coming to the Hella UK facility is the size and realizing that Hella actually produces this machines range completely here in the UK, and the amount of the machines plus the size of our production. The great thing is, although there are not many machine tool manufacturers left in the UK, we have a few significant players here in the UK, and we are one of them.
So Hella Redditch is an assembly plant, essentially. We don't actually manufacture anything here, we assemble. All the machines that we build in Hella Redditch are assembled in a flow line system. So we have 2 flow lines, and the flow line is what it says it is. It's a process of a machine flowing on rails into the floor. So in the UK, we build the spindle head for the machine, we build the pallet changers, we build the tool magazines. We're actually the competence centre for the whole of Hella Group for chain-driven tool magazines. We get all of our guards, all of our machine guarding comes from 4 different UK suppliers for all of the sizes of machines that we build. So the plant in the UK produces generally around about 200 machines a year, but we have a strategy driven by senior managers that we are going to get up to 300 plus machines a year, which means approximately 6 machines a week to start. So that's more than 1 a day. That's our goal over the next few years.
I've worked here for 25 years. I came straight from university. I've built the machines, and I can guarantee the quality of these machines. Over the years, I've seen these machines go better and better, and I feel that these are the Rolls-Royce of CNC machines in the world.
I'm Mike Morgan, I'm co-owner of Autocraft Solutions Group. We're Europe's largest independent engine builder and remanufacturer for medium and low volume parts. What Hella have done differently for us is they've delivered on the commitment of quick turnaround on service. What's different about this site for us is we have to deliver hundreds of blocks a week to major production lines. It costs millions of pounds if those production lines stop. So when we've had spindles that have gone down, Hella have delivered. They've turned them around in 24 to 48 hours. We're back up and running, we're cutting blocks, and that's worth a huge amount to me.
We're very fortunate that we have a manufacturing facility first and foremost. Not many service outlets have that, not alone in the UK, but let alone globally. We have a vast amount of knowledge that comes off the back of that. Nearly all of our guys have come through the Hella system, apprentices, or trained originally through the production department. We're very much focused on next day, spare part delivery, on-site engineers, immediate technical support. So from a product perspective, we have a UK sales team. Once the sale is live, then our team within customer services take over. We handle that as a project. We also have a UK engineering team that consists of fixture designers, process guys, application guys, and then throughout the life of the project we see it through from start to finish.
The quality of our machines is second to none. Hella has got a very strong strategy when it comes to core competencies and what really needs to be done within our own facilities. I think it speaks for itself that all basic machining components of our machines are machined on a Hella machine. This continues into the sub-assemblies, where the core sub-assemblies are assembled in our headquarters in Germany, and finally built and complete here in the UK. I think it's not a secret that the whole industry and our economy has hit hard by COVID. I'm pleased to say that Hella, with their current business, is already ahead and is well on the recovery way, and we've got a strong order intake and the demand is high, which leaves us now to our growth strategy, which will definitely for the next few months will intense our activities in increasing our capacity. But nevertheless, we always try to build our resources from our own apprentices. Hella has done over the years always apprenticeships and build up the quality during their own training. I think Hella stands for quality, performance and solution in teamworks. And I think that puts it all together to say that you get a rounded package from us.